How many of you have ever felt that there's a season, a pain, a loss, or a chapter that almost defined you? That what happened became the story of your whole life? My name is Anda Grobler, and it is my mission to empower 1 million people to move from grief to gratitude and to find their purpose in that journey so that they can live a fulfilled life. You see, my story was forged in the deepest, darkest moments of my life. And grief touches every single one of us. I had a life that went from before grief to after grief in one single second. 24 years ago, I experienced the stillbirth of my second daughter, Bibi. Nobody prepared me for that. And in that moment, I thought that that was the end of my story. What I didn't realize was that that was the beginning of my purpose.